guys, welcome back to my channel. Few weeks back I had a request from one of the viewers saying, can you please show us how do you keep your kitchen clean all the time as well as the clutter free. So in this video I'm gonna share with you the things that I do all the time to make sure the kitchen stay clean, as well as at the end of the day when I'm done cooking there is not much to do. So without further ado, let's go ahead and start with this video. So the first tip is never let accumulate any dishes, pots and pan or even spoon into the sink. As soon as you put it in there, rinse it and put it in the dishwasher. In case if you are not using the dishwasher, you can rinse it and leave it on one side. So at the end it's easy to clean, as well as all the foods and grease doesn't get stick to it. So the tip number 2 is, before you start cooking, always have the napkin on the counter, so that way in case if you spill something, still the counter stay nice and clean. Tip number 3 is, before you start cutting your vegetables, always have the bowl or the plastic bag close by, so that way all the wastage you can throw it in the bag, and at the end take the bag, throw it in the garbage, so that way you are not going back and forth to the garbage cans. So this way you can save some time also. Tip number 4 is, once a week check your spice box and refill the stuff needs to be refilled. So that way throughout the week whenever you are cooking, all your supplies is ready to use. As well as one extra tip I would give here is, always keep the napkin underneath. So that way in case if there is any spillage, all you have to do is take the napkin, throw it in the garbage, put the new one, and still the bottom stay nice and clean. And as you can see here, I do have some spillage, but no worries, I can put the new one and it still stay clean. Tip number 5, and the most important one, is as soon as you are done using the stuff, put them away where it goes. So that way you are not accumulating stuff on the counter, as well as your counter stay clutter free. As you can see here, I'm done using the chopping board and the knife, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean that. And I just need to make the rotis here. So even after making the rotis, as you can see, the counter and the kitchen is clean. So I'm not spending way too much time into the kitchen. So with the few things keeping in mind, we can always make sure that kitchen stay clutter free as well as clean. So friends, I hope you like this video. If you do, please do not forget to subscribe, as well as I'm gonna link my kitchen tour video and the pantry tour video down below in the description box. So in case if you want to see how I organize everything, you can check those 2 videos out. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.